There's two.
I can't get both.
Nice. That's the one, bro. That's the winning bait. Oh, wait, he's in the net.
There's one more.
There's one more? Oh, that's not him. That's not him. Huh?
Wait, you want power?
To go underwater. Oh yeah, yeah. It just it also like if you went to
this on right now?
I am.
You are?
Yeah.
I love your culture.
It's not my
You are very cultured. It's a compliment. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's three of them underneath it.
There's one on the left shore.
Oh, real left middle. All right, thanks, Doug. Thank you. There's a big one, too.
Rod tip to the right.
to the right, to the right.
Yeah, we're hung up on the short.
Yep.
All right, thank you, bye. Oh my God, he's going into
Clear.
30 pounds.
Clear. It's clear.
It was clear.
Really? You don't say.
I just, that's what I heard.
Troy, I got it jumping, but it was way out.
Back on there. It's all on. Just give it the back on there.
Yeah. I hope it got on camera.
61 on one?
It should be.
Yeah, I probably got it.
151 yellow. Good job, everyone.
151 yellow.
Emily, 151 yellow.
Yeah, we have to run south.
Nice job.
We're almost at the boundary. Get it in. Why is he sitting there like that?
Want me to just get a flat out? Right, up. Watch the right side.
Right
Right short.
Okay.
Someone get on the right short. The valley here is jumping out of the water.
That's him on right middle?
Right middle.
Right middle.
Oh, he's fuck me.
I don't know how long this is gonna last.
Average 25, Bryce.
Damn it. Brian, I need ID on
Okay. Oh shit.
Bryce hooked up. Fish right under the boat. What we got? Amanda?
Where you at, Emily?
Emily.
Emily's under the boat.
We got Bryce hooked up. Emily hooked up on a double. Confirmation.
Sorry, honey. I got distracted.
He's gonna come
Sorry.
Do you have ID on hers?
Yeah, I got ID on.
You need ID?
There's another one. That's Bryce's.
That's not mine.
That's, it isn't?
No, not mine. It might have just jumped on my line.
Let's see. Right here on Bryce.
Bryce,
Right here, get ID. Get in the water.
That's it. You got it.
leader.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Got that.
61, Bryce.
Good job on that feed. That was good.
There he is. Got him. Confirmation.
I got ID.
Yep.
See ya.
Yep.
I was gonna cast, but there's so much difference.
Yeah. Got it? Got it.
Got him.
Good job.
Nice.
Good job, Bill.
Good job, guys.
Nice job, Dylan.
61, Emily.
Okay. 31 blue.
31 blue, Emily.
Texas.
27 blue at 201. Roger that.